If you're a soccer player with big dreams of playing in college or even going pro, you know how crucial a highlight video is. It's your digital handshake, your first impression with coaches and recruiters. But let's be real, a bad highlight video can do more harm than good. A shaky camera, confusing clips, or a 10-minute snooze fest will get your video closed faster than you can say offside. So grab a notebook, and let's get into it. First things first. Step 1. Gather high-quality footage. This sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many players send in videos that look like they were filmed on a potato. Coaches need to see you clearly. The best way to do this is to have someone film your games using a tripod. A tripod is non-negotiable. It eliminates the shaky, seasick-inducing footage that makes videos unwatchable. Also, make sure the camera is positioned high up, like in the bleachers, to get a wide tactical view of the field. A coach wants to see more than just you. They want to see your positioning, your runs off the ball, and how you interact with your teammates and opponents. Your goal is to make the coach say, "Wow, I need to see more of this player," not, "When is this going to end?" You can always have a separate video with a full game or a half available if they request it. But your initial video needs to be concise, impactful, and leave them wanting more. Every single second counts, so make them count. Now for step 3, and this is a big one. Structure your video for maximum impact. How you organize your clips is just as important as the clips themselves. You need to start with a bang. Your first 30 seconds are the most critical. This is your prime real estate. Put your 3 to 5 most impressive jaw-dropping plays right at the beginning. This could be a spectacular goal from 30 yards out, a game-saving tackle, or a series of incredible passes that led to an assist. Whatever your biggest strengths are, put them on display immediately. This hooks the coach and convinces them to keep watching. After that powerful intro, you can organize the rest of the video by skill. For example, have a section for goals, then a section for assists and key passes, followed by defensive plays, dribbling skills, and so on. This makes it easy for the coach to see the full range of your abilities. Don't just throw clips together randomly. A logical flow shows that you're thoughtful and organized. And please, 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 do not add crazy special effects or loud, distracting music. Keep it clean and professional. A simple, unobtrusive background track is fine, but the focus should always be on your performance. The game audio is often better because it lets the coach hear the communication and the sound of the ball. Let's talk about step 4, identifying yourself clearly. This is a simple step, but it's absolutely vital. A coach is watching your video, they see an amazing play, but they have no idea which player you are. Before each play, add a brief, clean graphic, or use a simple spot, shadow, or circle to highlight yourself for a second or two. Just a quick visual cue so the coach knows who to watch. Don't use a massive, distracting arrow that follows you around the entire clip. Just a simple, quick identification at the start. Also, at the very beginning of your video, you need a title card. This should be a clean, professional-looking slide with all your essential information. We're talking your full name, your graduation year, your position, your jersey number, and your team name. Include your contact information, 2-year, email, and phone number. You can also add your coach's name and contact information as a reference. Make this slide clear and easy to read. Keep it on screen for about 5 to 10 seconds, long enough for someone to read it all or pause it if they need to. Having this info up front makes it super easy for a coach who is interested to immediately know who you are and how to get in touch. Finally, we've arrived at step 5, showcasing your versatility in soccer IQ. While it's tempting to fill your video with only flashy goals or dribble moves, coaches are looking for complete players. They want to see that you understand the game on a deeper level. This means you need to include clips that highlight your soccer intelligence. Show your movement off the ball. Are you making smart runs to create space for your teammates? Show your defensive work rate. Are you tracking back to help your team, even if you're a forward? Include clips of you communicating with your teammates, directing traffic, and showing leadership. Also, demonstrate your technical skills in various situations. Show that you can use both feet. Include clips of you taking on defenders one-on-one, but also show your ability to play quick one-touch or two-touch passes under pressure. If you're a defender, show your tackling, but also show your ability to distribute the ball out of the back. If you're a goalkeeper, show your shot stopping, but also your command of the box and your distribution. A great highlight video doesn't just show what you can do with the ball. It shows that you are a smart, well-rounded soccer player who can contribute to the team in multiple ways. This is what truly separates the good players from the great ones in the eyes of a recruiter. So, let's do a quick recap. The 5 steps to create the perfect soccer highlight video for 2025 are: 1. Get high-quality footage with a tripod from a high angle. 2. Keep your video short and impactful, aiming for 3 to 5 minutes. 3. Structure your video to start with your best clips and then group similar skills together. 4. Clearly identify yourself at the start of every clip and include a title card with your contact information. Follow these 5 steps, and you'll have a professional, powerful highlight video that will make coaches sit up and take notice. This video is your key to opening doors, so invest the time and effort to get it right. It could be the difference between getting that scholarship offer or being overlooked. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope this guide helps you on your soccer journey. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips for making a great highlight video. Good luck with your recruitment process, and I'll see you in the next one.